Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for E4VV180. This is a 2004 Volvo S60 5-cylinder. Nice and clean oil. We do offer extended warranties, 6-month, 1 year, and lifetime part and labor warranties are available. Vehicle has 102,238 miles. Runs nice and smooth. Also looks like it was regularly maintained. Next oil change was due at 104,060. So within the limits there, somebody took care of this vehicle. It is pretty clean inside. Thanks again for watching. This has been J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for E4VV180. Have a nice day.